down in the harbor where the waves kiss home. Whitstable boats by the tide are thrown. Seasons turn, yet still they stay. Wood creaks soft as the gulls make way. Whitstable's fleet, 'neath sky and foam. You sing your tales where the salt winds roam. Through summer's glow and winter's cold, your beauty speaks, both new and old. Decks worn smooth by a weathered hand, mast a-tremble where fierce winds land. Barnacles cling to their silent keep, tales they whisper as the tide sinks deep.